All right, so I'm definitely not having the best luck when it comes down to things happening to my car. I was driving on the freeway back from LA and a massive rock hit my windshield. Now, luckily enough, I don't have major spiders or major cracks right now. It's kind of hard to see right about here, but I do have a pretty big crack. All right, guys, I'm here in Carmel Mountain. Got recommended over to this shop here. It's called a Pitstop Windshield Repair, right next to McDonald's, Ralph's Shopping Center. And I went on Tesla's website and I went to a bunch of other Tesla insurance stuff like that. It is super, super expensive to get cracks fixed through Tesla. This is something that I don't want to go through insurance or anything like that. So came highly recommended by a bunch of other friends. Like I said, it's called Pitstop Windshield Repair. Ask for Gil. When you get a windshield chip or any issues, you do not want to clean it out because it will contaminate the actual crack. And what happens is that when they seal it, it won't be, or possibly won't be, a clear fix. I didn't run it through a car wash or anything, but there is discoloration in the crack already because it was about a week ago. So whenever you get a chip or a crack, you want to get it done as fast as possible because you don't want any contaminants to get in there. So we're gonna go through the process now of actually getting it fixed, and I'll let you guys know as far as time frame and how much it costs. So if you are in the Carmel Mountain area, this is the shop. It's right next to McDonald's, which is right over here. Got the Trader Joe's over there. But windshield repair, and for price-wise, regular size rock chip, size of a dime, 60 bucks for the first one, $30 for each additional. Medium size, and then large. Mine, he said it's a large rock chip size of a quarter, 80 bucks, and 40 for additional ones after that. All right, so here is my chip right here. See if you can see that. Let's go from this side. Show you what it looks like from the inside as well. Just finished up. Let me show you here. And dude, this is legit. You can barely see it. That is so clean. I mean, hold on. I might need to switch over to my phone because the action is not picking it up. I'm not able to like choose the focus, but it is barely there. You can kind of just see like a hairline from where the actual spider came from. But that center part is all gone. Look at that, even from the inside, you're not even able to see, you can barely see it right here. A lot of times you can actually get reimbursed from your insurance because they are approved through most insurances, so you might be able to get reimbursed. It only came out to 80 bucks. So that is super affordable than having to go through something like your insurance company or anything like that where it might raise it up. And as far as warranty goes, pretty much he said if there's any issues, bring it back as long as you have your vehicle. So if there's anything wrong or it spiders out again from that same place, just bring it back and they'll fix it. But apparently Gil is the person to go to here in San Diego. Information will be down below in the video description. Take care, guys.